Now, the way this is going to work is I'm going to give you a moment to work through this on your own, each question on your own, and you're going to check back in with me to see how well you did. Now, this kind of lesson will only work, believe me guys, will only work if you're doing this along with me. If you speed up the video, or if you try to work ahead and ignore what I'm saying, you're not going to get the full value that you would get if you were just following along with me. So please follow along with me, and we will begin our work together, starting with number 1. So number 1 says calculate the speed for a car that went a distance of 125 miles in 2 hours time. So if we say distance is, I'm just color coding for your benefit, blue, and time is green, maybe we'll give speed red. So right now we have a distance, we have time, we need to figure out the speed. It asks what is the speed. Okay, so the equation we would use is given in the pyramid, S equals d over t. So use this equation to figure out S, or speed, for number 1. Please pause the video at this time to give yourself a second to figure this out. When you're done, press play. Okay, so this is how you should have your equation set up, and if you punch this into a calculator, which you can for the speed problems, however, you shouldn't need to for this one, you end up getting that speed, or S, is equal to 62.5. That's not enough. 62.5 what? The distance traveled is miles, and the time given is hours. So it's 62.5 miles per hour. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 says a baseball is thrown a distance of 60 feet. What is 60 feet? Is that speed, distance, or time? I hope you said distance of 60 feet. What is its speed if it takes 0.5 seconds to cover the distance? Okay, so this is another speed. It's asking what is its speed, and it gives us a time of 0.5 seconds. Plug this into the equation, pause the video, come back when you're ready. So if you have your equation set up like mine, hopefully you will get the same answer. Plug it into your calculator, or again, you can probably solve this on your own. The answer for speed is equal to 120 what? We have for distance feet. Our time is seconds here. So it's 120 feet per second should be your answer for number 2. And as we move on to number 3, why don't you pause it now and do the entire process on your own and see if we come up with the same thing. So go ahead and pause it. Once you plug, well, first of all, let's talk about the setup. This is a little different because it's asking for time. Did you use your pyramid to determine that T is equal to D over S? And if you plug in D, which is given as 1,800 miles, and if you plug in S, speed, which is 45 miles per hour, 1,800 miles divided by 45 miles per hour, you should get a specific time. And that is 40. Now, what should our units be? Let's look back over here at our equation, and can you see how miles here and here, they cross out? If you're dividing those two, all you're left with hour, and hour goes here. So 40 hours is how much time it would take for a bird flying at a speed of 45 miles per hour to travel 1,800 miles. Okay, go on to number 4. and pause the video now. Come back to me when you're ready. Okay, I did not include the units here because I ran out of room. But if you looked at the pyramid, you saw D is on top and S and T are on the bottom. And basically what that says is D is equal to S times T. And if you plug in the numbers, S, speed, is, as it's given here, 50,000 kilometers per hour. For how much time? Well, for 4 hours time. And so it's 50,000 kilometers per hour times 4 hours, which gives you a distance of kilometers, because that's what's left. And it's a big number. It's 200,000. Eek. I can hardly fit that in. 200,000 kilometers is the distance traveled.